we can be helpful to you in your journey to become Tableau certified. So this information which we are going to share will be very helpful to you. There are three important areas which should be your focal point while you are preparing for Tableau certification exam. You should start with Tableau certification exam preparation guide. Secondly, you must focus on Tableau provided free videos. The third one is Tableau provided help book. Let's talk about Tableau certification exam preparation guide. Exam preparation guide is your starting point because it contains the percentages as well as the detailed topics which you should focus for preparation, because the questions will come from that part. Second thing is Tableau provided free videos. There are 10 to 12 hours free videos available on Tableau website. These are very good to understand the product, and it contains some minor hints or small key notes which can be a candidate of Tableau certification theory exam question. So you must watch all those 10 to 12 hour free videos on the Tableau website. The third thing which is very important is Tableau provided help book. Tableau has provided help book which is almost for every product. It's 3000 to 4000 page. It's very detailed, very comprehensive, and all theory questions come from the Tableau help book. But definitely it's a cumbersome job to go through all the 3000 pages for everybody. So but this is the only key to success. So these three areas you must focus. In order to help you, what we have done, we have thoroughly analyzed Tableau exam preparation guides. We have watched Tableau provided free videos, and we have thoroughly scanned Tableau help book, all 3000 to 4000 pages, and jot down all important points which can come as a theoretical part or the scenario based questions that we have developed based on our experience. So on the basis of all on our study, we have designed knowledge based questions to cover your area of theoretical questions, because this is very important to cover the theoretical section of your exam. So these questions and along with the hands-on question will give you a real boost and preparation while you go for the exam. We have knowledge based questions based on specific subject area wise as well as mixed knowledge basis. For every subject area we have designed one small quiz, and we have also developed mixed knowledge area wise questions, which is our specialty, and we strongly recommend everybody to go through these theoretical questions, which will definitely be very helpful in your real exam. Apart from this, we always support our users through email, as well as we have the WhatsApp number as well. We claim that we answer every message and every email to our users. So we shall be your partner in your journey to become Tableau certified. Once you are our paid member, feel free to contact us. We shall be glad to help you in all your questions or queries. So good luck for your journey. We shall be waiting for your membership.